Welcome to Tashi and Mimi's Kids Learning.
No, 20 farm baby. Animal's name.
Dog.
Dog.
Puppy.
Puppy.
A baby dog is a puppy. Cat.
Cat.
Kitten.
Kitten.
A baby cat is a kitten. Cow.
Cow.
Calf.
Calf.
A baby cow is a calf. Hen.
Hen.
Chick.
Chick.
A baby hen is a chick. Sheep.
Sheep.
Lamb.
Lamb.
A baby sheep is a lamb. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Bunny.
Bunny.
A baby rabbit is a bunny. Duck.
Duck.
Duckling.
Duckling.
A baby duck is a duckling. Horse.
Horse.
Foal.
Foal.
A baby horse is a foal. Pig.
Pig.
Piglet.
Piglet.
A baby pig is a piglet. Turkey.
Turkey.
Poult.
Poult.
A baby turkey is a poult. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chick.
Chick.
A baby chicken is a chick. Donkey.
Donkey.
Foal.
Foal.
A baby donkey is a foal. Goat.
Goat.
Kid.
Kid.
A baby goat is a kid. Guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Pup.
Pup.
A baby guinea pig is a pup. Fish.
Fish.
Fry.
Fry.
A baby fish is a fry. Bee.
Bee.
Larva or pupa.
Larva or pupa.
A baby bee is a larva or pupa. Deer.
Deer.
Fawn.
Fawn.
A baby deer is a fawn. Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Calf.
Calf.
A baby buffalo is a calf. Goose.
Goose.
Gosling.
Gosling.
A baby goose is a gosling. Rat.
Rat.
Pup. pup. A baby rat is a pup.